Ever wondered how to make money by flipping used cars? The secret might just be government auctions. Here's the scoop. These auctions offer a treasure trove of vehicles at lower prices, ripe for the flipping. Sites like auctionsinternational.com and govbid.com are worth exploring. Now you might be asking, how exactly does one go about buying from these auctions? So you're curious about the process of buying from government auctions. It's simpler than you might think. The first step is to create an account on a government auction website like Auctions International or GovBid. Once you've done that, you can start browsing the available vehicles. You'll find a variety of makes and models, so take your time and choose wisely. When you've found a vehicle that interests you, it's important to do your homework. Look for information about the vehicle's condition and history. This can often be found in the listing details. If possible, it's also a good idea to inspect the vehicle in person before placing a bid. Once you're ready to bid, simply enter the amount you're willing to pay. If you're the highest bidder when the auction ends, the vehicle is yours. To finalize the purchase, you'll need to make a payment through the auction website. Once you've won the bid and the car is yours, it's time to flip it for a profit. So you've got your car from the auction, now what? The next step is to flip that car for profit. Start by giving it a good clean and repairing any faults. Make it shine like it's brand new. Then it's time to advertise your vehicle. Use high-quality photos and a detailed description to attract buyers. Be patient and wait for the right offer. You bought low, now sell high. And that's how you make money by flipping used cars from government auctions. It's a simple process, but it can yield significant profits. Flipping cars is not just about making a quick buck. It's about the thrill of the hunt on sites like Auctions International and GovBid, the satisfaction of transforming a cheap find into a diamond, and the tangible profits. So why not give it a try? You might just find that car flipping is a profitable and satisfying venture.